Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to get a little Woodyard exercise using the Collins axe, Splitting Maul, and the MS462 by turning these red oak logs into little chunks of firewood like that. Stick around. So today we're gonna work on converting these logs into firewood. Hopefully just do one face cord and then get on to some other projects around the house. It's a beautiful Saturday. It's gonna be 40, 45 degrees, somewhere in there. Looks like next week is gonna be in the 50s, 58, I think a high on Tuesday, and then it's gonna cool back down. But today's a good day to be doing some firewood work and need a little exercise too. So we're gonna skip the wood splitter. We're gonna use the Splitting Maul and convert these logs into firewood. So stick around while I do that and enjoy. All right, I'm gonna leave these last two on the tractor, because I think I'm getting pretty close to a face cord cut right now, so I'm gonna start splitting it, get it stacked, let's see where we're at. So here we go. Well, I would consider that a huge success. Hour and a half or so, maybe hour and 15 minutes to bring the logs over here, cut them up, get them split by hand, and get it all stacked, face cord. Not too bad. I think with using the splitter and doing it a more, I guess, bulk process, I was getting about 0.65 face cords per hour, so it's about right. I mean, the hour and a half for a full face cord by hand, not bad. I'll take it. I burned some calories while I was at it, so it actually came out really good. I've only got maybe 2 big rounds worth of splits here that I got to go throw on the other side. Maybe I'll toss them in the bucket on the tractor and then carry them over there and clean this up after when I'm getting this stuff cleaned up here. So happy with my process, and that's it. Pretty good exercise routine, I think. You know, really, I got the blood flowing and a little bit of sweat going on, even though it is about 25-30 degrees outside. So hope you enjoyed the Woodyard workout today, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good week. Thank you.